So here we have the Berlingo van on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by working our way around the front of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Let's start off inside the rear cargo area and then back round to the front from that. As we approach the back of the van, you'll see we have reversing sensors. It's all been ply lined, as you can see. We have that sliding side door access just there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside it, we're going to start off with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the van. They are 78,369. And above that, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. Over the center, we then have the stereo. And as you can see, this is all touchscreen, so you can navigate your way around certain menus from here. You can search for your devices from there. That button will take you back to the main menu, and that is where you can access your radio and media. You'll see that this van has got FM, DAB and AM radio. You can listen to your own music in a number of ways, one of which is Apple CarPlay, which I'll come back to at the end of this video. You've got your auxiliary input up on the top right-hand side just there as well. And then from the main menu is also where you would pair your telephone, and you've got various bits of driving data and information as well. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature over here, fan speed in the middle, and the direction of the air over on the left-hand side. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on. Same button again will turn it off, and you can recirculate the air that's in the van from that button just there. We then have the passenger electric window, driver electric window, deadlocks to lock the van doors from the outside, with our hazard warning lights and a 12-volt charging socket, and then a 5-speed manual gearbox. Lastly, I just wanted to talk about the Apple CarPlay available in this van. First thing you need to do is get your iPhone and plug it into the USB that appears just down here to the left-hand side of the gear lever, and then you'll get your Apple CarPlay menu up on the screen. From there, you can access your phone, your messages. You can go into the satellite navigation system available through Waze, for example. Essentially, most things that are available on your iPhone will be available up on here. Your Spotify, so you can listen to music. A really great system. It's just like using an iPhone, but up on a car screen rather than on your phone screen. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.